So, why do we care what people think? Why do we check our reflection before a selfie or hesitate before posting? Well, what if I told you you're not just looking in the mirror, you're looking through a social mirror? Yes! Welcome to the world of the looking glass self, a powerful idea from sociology that explains how we become who we think others see. Charles Horton Cooley, an early American sociologist, came up with the concept of the looking glass self in 1902. His idea, well, it's summarized as follows. Our sense of self isn't just created by us, it's shaped by how we imagine other people see us. In other words, I am not who I think I am not who you think I am who I think you think I am. Cooley said our self-image is built in 3 steps, which happens constantly, often without us realizing it. Firstly, we imagine how we appear to others. Then we imagine how others judge that appearance. Lastly, we develop feelings and a self-concept based on that imagined judgment, and that's where identity starts. Let's make it real with examples. Have you ever deleted a post because you thought it looked cringe? Or felt awkward in class and assumed everyone thought you were dumb? Or have you ever been praised for being funny and then leaned into that identity? That's the looking glass self at work. We're constantly adjusting ourselves based on what we think others see, even if we're wrong. This process starts early in childhood. A kid who hears "you're so responsible" might become more responsible. A kid constantly called troublemaker might start acting the part, even if they weren't before. This shows how labels and perceptions from others shape our identities. Check out my video about labeling theory for more on this. Today, the looking glass self is everywhere, especially online. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Snapchat are digital mirrors. We post, wait for feedback, and adjust accordingly. Likes, comments, views, they all act as judgment signals, influencing how we see ourselves. The danger? We start performing for the mirror instead of living for ourselves. So what are judgment signals really? Well, in the context of the looking glass self, judgment signals are the social cues we interpret, consciously or unconsciously, as evidence of how others see us, whether that be on or offline. They're the little reactions, comments, or interactions we take in and use to form our self-image. So why does this theory matter? Well, it helps us understand a few things like 1. Why identity is social, not just personal. 2. How bullying, praise, and social labels shape behavior. 3. Why stereotypes and expectations are so powerful. 4. How society plays a role in shaping our very sense of self. It connects to larger issues like gender roles, racial identity, class stigma, and even mental health. Sociologists don't just explain society, they aim to fix it. We may never escape the social mirror, but we can choose which mirrors to stand in front of. Here are some advices. 1. Spend time with people who reflect the best in you. 2. Question assumptions. Are they really judging you, or are you imagining it? 3. Build your self-concept not just on imagined judgment, but real values. The looking glass self teaches us, you're not just who you are. You're who you believe others see. So choose your reflections wisely. Has someone else's opinion ever changed how you saw yourself? Leave us a comment below to share with us and let us know if you agree with this theory and share your opinion. Did you enjoy this video? Then hit the subscribe button and follow me for more Doodle videos for Sociology Made Simple. And please like and share this video with like-minded people. It would really help me reach a wider audience and make better videos. See you next time!